A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalatu wassalam ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen. Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. Wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamam bil khair. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Let us start. Nahid aunty has sent me the homework. Sadia and Zahan. Sadia sent little late. Zahan sent parts of it late. Did you send the homework, Adnan?
Yes, Sakhabi, I'll send you.
Okay, so you also sent late. Afifa, तुम्हारा homework? तुमने भेजा होमवर्क अफीफा? तुम म्यूट पे हो? यस अफीफा। तुमने भेजा क्या होमवर्क?
No.
ठीक है, क्लास के बाद भेज देना। ठीक है, आज भेज देना प्लीज।
ठीक।
Okay, awesome. Now question to you, Zahan. How do you translate?
I was a little late because I had exams. The homework was a little late, that's why.
No problem. So translate this sentence. How do we say, so ask him? So you all ask him.
Lizas alahu. Lizas alahu.
Again?
Lizas alahu.
Tell me slowly, let me try to write what you're saying. So what are you saying?
Lizas alahu.
Give me letters.
Lam, li,
Li. Li and
za, zal,
za or
the one near dal. Dal. Yes,
Okay.
that one. Alif,
okay.
space alif,
Okay.
salahu.
Like this.
Yes.
Okay. What is the answer, Sadia?
Fasalahu.
Slowly.
Fasalahu.
First, who, like this. Is this your answer, Sadia?
No, Sakhabi, fasalahu.
Who, like this. Is this your answer, Sadia?
Yes, Sakhabi, I like this.
Okay, let me recap yesterday's lesson. Okay, how do we say he asked? Past tense. We say sa'ala. Sa'ala is he asked. Okay, so this is just basic verb. The root is sa'ala. Sadia, Zahan, how do we say he asks? Present tense.
Salahu.
No. Sa'ala. Past tense.
Sala.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Alu.
Yes, alu. Guys, present tense has to start with either ya, ta, or hamza, or noon. Okay, it cannot start with seen. It cannot start with fa. It cannot start with anything else. That letter, the seen, comes as the second letter. The starting has to be either ya, ta, hamza, or noon. Sa'alahu is still past tense. Yes, alu. How do we say you ask? You ask questions.
Tas'alu.
Tasalu, very good. So this is you, one person, ask questions. How do we say you all ask questions? All of you in the class, you all ask questions. tas'aluna. Now we are saying you all ask. Okay. So what happens to tas'aluna? Tas'aluna is still a statement. You all ask questions. But if I give you a command saying you all ask, how do I do it? What happens to tas'aluna? I need to make two changes. What are the two changes, Sadia? What are the two changes, Sadia?
No idea.
Saqib Chacha, first change would be tas'alu. Na would get cancelled.
Very good. So cancel the now. And what's the second change? What's the second change? You take out the ta.
Becomes tus'alu. Tus'alu.
You take out the ta also. So it becomes seen with sukoon. Lu. Okay, this is what it becomes. I take out the noon, I put just a dummy alif in its place. So it becomes a lu. I cannot pronounce this. So I just put a alif just in case. It becomes is alu. Okay. Now this alif is only pronounced if there's nothing else before it. If I say so is fa. So it becomes fas alu. I skip this alif. There's no need for the alif. The alif, I just put it to is pronunciation. In case there's nothing before the alif, I say is. But here I have fa, so it becomes fas alu. This becomes so you all ask. How do we say him? How do we say him? It becomes fas alu who, guys? This is yesterday's class. Fas alu who is so you all ask him. What is the answer, Zahan?
Fa'alu.
It is not fa alu.
Fas'aluhu.
What is the answer?
Is'aluhu.
It is not isalu. You will not read the e because there's fa. So you will say it fas aluhu.
Fas'aluhu.
What is the answer again, Zahan?
Fas'aluhu.
Again?
Fas'aluhu.
Very good. Satya, what is the answer?
Fas'aluhu.
Fas aluhu. What is the answer, Adnan? आफिफ आंसर क्या है? तो तुम सब
Fas'aluhu.
पूछो.
Fasaluhu.
Fas aluhu. Very good. What is the answer, Satya? So you all ask him.
Fas'aluhu.
Fas aluhu. Very good. Now, the people know that the biggest idol is a stone. What is this answer, Sadia or Zahan? Whoever of you can get it correct. The answer is Yarifun Nasu Anna Sanamal Akbara Hajarun. What is the answer?
Yariful nasanal.
Yarifun nasu anna sanama al-akbara hajaran.
Very good. Again, Sadia.
Yarifun nasu anna sanama al-akbara hajaran.
Very good. Correct answer. Yarifun Nasu Anna Sanamal Akbara Hajarun. Let me open it here. Do we have it here? 1 minute. Okay. Read the answer, Zahan.
Yeah.
Zahan, you read the answer.
Yarifun nasu annasanamal akbar.
Are you not? I said Zahan and Yasif.
Okay, Sadia and Adnan are fighting. Okay, go ahead, Zahan. What's the answer?
Ra hajarun.
Again, full answer.
Yarifun nasul as-sanamal akbara hajarun.
Yarifun nasu anna sanamal akbara hajarun.
As-sanamal akbara hajarun.
Again,
Yarifun nasu as-sanamal akbara hajarun.
very good. Now, without saying, tell the answer again without saying. Zahan.
Yarifun nasu as-sanamal akbara hajarun.
Very good. How do we say that? Which is the word which means that? Let me show you the answer. Which word means that? Which word means that, Zahan? Which word means that, Sadia? Which is the word which means that?
Is it Nasu?
Nasu means people. Qul ya
Anna.
Anna. Very good. Anna means that. So let me move this answer here. How do I say, because Sadia is giving all of the answers, how do I say, this question for you, Zahan. How do we say this sentence? I know that Sadia is a brilliant student. How do we say this? How do we say I know? How do we say the people know? You just answered. How do we say the people know? What is the answer to this question, Zahan?
Annas-sanama.
What is the answer to this question? How do we say the people know that the biggest idol is a stone?
Yeah. Yes, Sakib Chacha.
What is the answer?
Yarifun
Zahan?
nasu.
Yes. So,
The
Yarifun
people
Nasu means the people know. Okay. How do I say I know? How do we say I know, Sadia?
Arifun nasu.
Arifun Nasu cannot come. It has to be only Arifu. And Nasu will only come with Yarifu because this is third person. Okay. So when I say I know, I only say Arifu. Arifu. How do I say that, Zahan?
Anna.
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 You're forgetting Zahan. Anna. Sa. The. Yeah. Student. How do we say student? Talibatun. Brilliant. Let's use a word which we have seen earlier. We have seen mujtahidun, which I think means hardworking. Zakiyatun, I think means brilliant. Let us verify. So I put Zaki. Okay, so Zakiya, I'm making some mistake of spelling. Let's check mujtahidun. Okay, hardworking. So let's use hardworking. How do we say hardworking student? Talibatun. What's the word for hardworking? Mujtahidatun.
Mujtahidun.
Mujtahidun is boy. You could say Ana mujtahidun would be I am hardworking, but that is masculine.
Mujtahidatun.
He.
That is what I said.
No, you said mujtahidun.
No, I said mujtahidatun.
Very good. You have correct answer. Okay, so mujtahidatun. Let us also see intelligent. What does it mean? I'm making some mistake with spelling. So I put intelligent means dhakiyun. Okay, so it is the. Dhakiyun. The means intelligent. So dhakiyatun would mean intelligent student. Okay. So what is this answer? Again, Afifa. The people know that the biggest idol is a stone. लोगों को मालूम है कि जो सबसे बड़ा पुतला है वो एक पत्थर है. हाँ आफिफा.
यारिफुन्नासु अन्नसनमा अल-अकबरा हजरुन.
Very good. Brilliant answer. यारिफुन नासु अन्ना सन्नमल अकबरा हजारोन. Brilliant. Very correct, Afifa. What is the answer, Adnan?
यारिफुन्नासु अन्नसनमा अकबरुन हजरुन.
Again.
यारिफुन्नासु अन्नसनमा अकबरुन हजरुन.
Again. Your voice is breaking. Let me just mute everyone. Yes, Adnan.
यारिफुन्नासु अन्नसनमा अकबरुन
Al Akbara. Anna Sanama Al Akbara. It has to match Asana.
Okay. अन्नसनमा अल-अकबरा हजरुन.
Very good. Again. Complete answer.
यारिफुन्नासु अन्नसनमा अल-अकबरा हजरुन.
Very good. Yarifun Nasu Anna Sanamal Akbara Hajarun. It is not capable of breaking the idols. How do we say this sentence? How do we say it? Or he? Rather instead of it, I would say he, because everything in Arabic is either he or she. How do we say he? Satya, how do we say he?
हुआ.
Hua. How do we say she? Hiya is she, Hua is he. Okay? Hua, Huma, Hum. Huma is two people, Hum is many people, masculine or masculine plus feminine. Okay? Hua is one person, he. He is not capable is Hua la yaqdiru. Hua la yaqdiru. Okay. Hua la yaqdiru. How do we say of breaking or to break?
Man kasara.
Very good. It is an yaksira. You use present tense. Okay. So kasara, yaksiru. Yaksiru means he breaks. To break is an yaksira. The ru becomes up. If there is a noon like this, you take off the noon. If there is no noon and if there is dhamma, you take off the dhamma and you put fatha. The dhamma becomes fatha. So that's how it becomes off breaking. So huwa la yaqdiru an yaksira. He is not capable of breaking. He is not capable of breaking what? What is he not capable of breaking?
Al-asnamu.
Al-asnama. This is detail. He is not capable of breaking what? Okay, so it is al-asnama because it is detail. Al-asnama. Huwa la yaqdiru an yaksir al-asnama. What is the answer, Zahan?
Sahib, if it comes,
Why,
what is
yeah?
the correct word,
Yeah.
Sahib?
Sorry, Nantanti?
If it comes, then what will be the correct word?
There's no it in Arabic, Nantanti. There's only huwa or hiya. Everything is either he or she.
Okay.
If it is idols, many idols, it is non-human, so you will say hiya. But everything is either huwa or hiya or hum. depending on if it is masculine or feminine. There's no it.
Okay. So if singular is there, I should use he. Plural is there, then here. No. Huwa here.
For example, if I say sayaratun,
For idols, you say Sahib?
correct. So idol, one idol is masculine, so you'll use huwa. But
Okay.
many idols, because it's non-human, it become here.
Okay.
For example, sayaratun, this is
Yeah.
car, ta marbuta, it is feminine.
Yeah.
So one car is also here. Many cars also, because it is non-human, is also here.
Okay. Understood.
Yep.
Jazakallah.
Welcome. So huwa ya la yaqdiru an yaksira al asnama. What is the answer, Zahan?
Huwa la yaqdiru an yaksirul asnama.
Yaksira, because of an it becomes
Yaksirul
yaksira.
asnama.
Okay, now without saying.
Huwa la yaqdiru an yaksirul asnama.
Very good. Again.
Huwa la yaqdiru an yaksirul asnama.
Very good. Sadia, what is the answer?
Huwa la yaqdiru an yaksira al-asnama.
Very good. Correct answer. Afifa, answer क्या है? तुम म्यूट पे हो अफीफा.
अब दो फ्री इधर पहुंचा. शादी ऐसे उठा.
Yes, अफीफा.
हुआ ला यक़दिरु अन्ना यक्सिरु अल अस्नामा.
एक छोटी सी मिस्टेक है. अन यक्सिरा. हुआ ला यक़दिरु अन यक्सिरा अल अस्नामा. फिर से अफीफा.
हुआ ला यक़दिरु अन यक्सरा अल अस्नामा.
यक्सिरा.
यक्सिरा.
फिर से.
हुआ ला यक़दिरु अन यक्सिरा अल अस्नामा.
Very good. फिर से.
हुआ ला यक़दिरु अन यक्सिरा अल अस्नामा.
Very good. Brilliant. Adnan, what is the answer?
Yaksiru an
Again, Adnan.
huwa la yaqdiru an yaksira al-asnama.
Very good. Huwa la yaqdiru an yaksira al-asnama. What is the answer to this question, Sadia? The people know that the biggest idol is a stone.
Nasu anna sanama al-akbara hajar.
Very good. What is the answer, Jahan? I can't hear you, Zahan. ये आंसर क्या है अफीफा?
Yes, Sakib Chacha. I was not able to hear you.
What is the answer to this question that you see?
Yariful asnama anna sanamal akbara hajarun.
Okay, you translated it as the idols know that the biggest idol is not a stone, is a stone.
Yarifun nasu.
Very good. Again, full answer.
Yarifun nasu anna sanamal akbara hajarun.
Very good. Afifa?
यारिफुन नासु अन्ना सनमा अल अकबरा हजरुन.
Very good. Now, this answer, Adnan, he is not capable of breaking the idols.
Wala yaqdiru an yaksara wala yaksiru an yaksara
Read the answer, Adnan.
yaqdiru an yaksara illa
Yaksira al-asnama.
tiral asnama.
Yaksira. Okay, again, Adnan.
Yaksira huwa la yaqdiru an yaksara an yaksal al-asnama.
Yaksira. Say an yaksira.
An yaksira.
Okay, now full answer.
Huwa la yaqdiru an yaksira
Al-asnama.
al-asnama.
Oh, good. Now next. They said, you know that the biggest idol does not utter. Sadia and Zahan. Try to make this answer. All of the words are known. Okay, so you just have to fit the right grammar in place and you have this answer. How do we say they said?
Qalu.
Qalu, you know.
Ta'rifu anna
Anta ta'lamu.
Ta'rifu anna, the biggest idol. What is this answer?
ya'rifu an-nasu anna sanama al-akbara hajar.
Okay, so same that the biggest idol is here. You know that the biggest idol. So you have translated till that. How do we say biggest idol?
Anna sanama al-akbara.
Very good. Qalu ta'rifu anna sanam al-akbara. Okay. Now does not utter.
La tantihu.
La
Tantihu.
La yantiqu, because biggest idol is masculine. Good. Full answer, Satya.
Qalu ta'rifu anna sanama al-akbara la yantihu.
Very good. Sahan, what is the answer? Can you try without saying? Satya, just give the correct answer. Okay, let me show you the answer. So they said, you know that the biggest idol does not utter. So the answer is Qalu.
Sakitati, I wasn't able to hear you. Can I try once?
Yes.
Kalu yantarifu an akbara al-asnama tantika.
Oh, you're making a few mistakes. Let me give you the answer. Qalu, as they said, Qalu. Qalu means double quotes, okay? So this is what they said. You know is Tarifu. Anna As-Sanam al-Akbara. This is what we have already seen. Anna As-Sanama al-Akbara. La is does not. Yantiqu. Qalu Tarifu Anna Sanam al-Akbara La Yantiqu. La Yantiqu means does not utter or does not even say a word. That's what it means. What's the answer, Sahan? Afif, answer क्या है?
Kalu ta'rifu anna al-asnama al-akbara la yantiqu.
Good. Now fast.
Kalu ta'rifu anna al-asnama al-akbara la yantiqu.
Okay. So when there's Sad, you skip the lam. Okay. So you or directly merge with the Sad. It becomes something like this. Anna Sanama.
Nasanamu.
Okay. Again.
Kalu ta'rifu anna al-asnama al-akbara la yantiqu.
Very good. Now say without saying.
Kalu ta'rifu anna al-asnama al-akbara la yantiqu.
Very good. What is the answer again, Sadia?
Qalu ta'rifu anna sanama al-akbara la yantihu.
Very good. قالوا تعرف أن الصنم الأكبر لا ينطق. You know that the biggest idol does not utter. Okay. Ibrahim said, so how do you all worship the idols? Now, whoever wants to try, okay? How do we say Ibrahim said?
Kalu Ibrahim or Kala Ibrahimu.
Allah Ibrahimu is Ibrahim said. How do we say so?
Fa
For. Very good. So if Ibrahim said so. Allah Ibrahimu for. How do we say how? How do we say how are you?
Kaifa
Kaifa. Okay. So Qala Ibrahimu for Kaifa. You all worship. How do we say you all worship?
تعبدون الأصنام.
Ta'budun al-asnama. Very good. Now who can give me the full answer?
قال إبراهيم
Kala Ibrahimu fa kaifa
For Kaifa? What is the answer, Sadia?
قال إبراهيم فكيف تعبدون الأصنام.
Very good. Correct answer. So Sadia is brilliant student. Okay. So I can say Arifu Anna Sadia Talibatun Dakiyatun. What is the answer, Jahan?
Kala Ibrahimu fa kaifa ta'buduna al-asnama.
Very good again.
Kala Ibrahimu fa kaifa ta'buduna al-asnama.
Very good. Abhi, Afifa, ya Adnan. Okay, whoever of you can do it first, I will write the answer or तुम्हें बोलना answer. ठीक है? Okay, it is right. Left align. Make it right. ठीक है. तो जो भी ready है जल्दी आप बोल सकते हो. Okay. Adnan or Afifa, you have to try and you have to tell me the answer. I'm going to try to write the answer for you.
قال إبراهيم فكيف تعبدون
قال إبراهيم فكيف
تعبدون
تعبدون
الأصنام.
تعبدون
ठीक है. तो दोनों में कंपटीशन. ठीक है. अफीफा और अदनान देखते हैं who can tell me the answer 3 times correctly. 3 बार बोलना है आंसर करेक्टली. दोनों एक साथ बोल सकते हैं.
قال إبراهيم
قال
فكيف
إبراهيم كيف
تعبدون الأصنام.
تعبدون الأصنام قال
قال إبراهيم فكيف تعبدون الأصنام. قال إبراهيم فكيف تعبدون الأصنام.
الأصنام
Both almost same. I could hear Adnan being more loud. आंसर क्या है अफीफा?
قال إبراهيم فكيف تعبدون الأصنام.
Very good. दोनों फर्स्ट है. दोनों ने एक साथ करेक्ट आंसर दिया. What is the answer, Zahan?
Kala Ibrahimu fa kaifa ta'buduna al-asnama.
Very good. So everyone knows this answer or Adnan and Afifa. अब दोनों first हो. Very good. He said, do you all not understand a thing? Okay. Let me give you the word for understand. If I say, have you all understood? I will say, hal antum tafhamun. Tafhamuna. Okay, hal antum tafhamuna is do you all understand? Have you all understood? Is hal antum fahimtum? Okay, now let us see who can guess. How do I say he understood and he understands? How do I say these two simple sentences? How do I say he understood and he understands?
Yafhamu.
Fahima.
Fahima yafhamu. So Rahil aunty is
Fahima
going to
is
answer. So he understood.
Understood. Yafhamu.
So that is he understands. Understand is yafhamu. It starts with ya. That is present tense. So what is he understood?
Fahima.
Fahima. He understands.
Yafhamu.
Yafhamu. Okay. So he understands is yafhamu. You all understand. How do we say you all understand? Present tense. You all understand? If I ask you all, do you all understand? I say hal antum tafhamuna. How do I say you all understand? You say tafhamuna. Tafhamuna is you all understand. So who can try to translate this? He said, do you all not understand earth thing? Earth thing is shay'an. Shay'an is earth thing. Plural of shay'an is ashya'an. Qala.
Qala afala tafhamuna. Afala.
Qala tafhamuna shay'an is you all understand earth thing.
Sakit baca qala afala tafhamuna shay'an.
Okay,
Or
let me write
shay'an.
all of the answers one by one. Okay, so what is your answer, Zahan?
Afala. Qala afala
Qala af'ala.
tafhamuna.
Af'ala tafhamuna.
No, Sakit baca. The alif merged with the lam.
1 minute. So what is the change?
The alif which is merged with the lam. That one.
Okay, you tell me how do you pronounce it? Qala
Qala afla'a.
afda'a. Afda'a.
Sakit baca. Afla'a.
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 Qala af'ala tafhamuna shay'an.
Shay'an. Yes.
Okay, qala af'ala tafhamuna shay'an.
Not shay'an. Shay'an.
Shay'an is a thing. Shay'an.
Okay.
Okay, any other guesses?
Sahur, can I get?
Yes.
Qala hal kullukum la tafhamuna shay'a.
Okay, you are very close. Qala hal
Kullukum la tafhamuna shay'a.
kullukum.
Yes, sir. Kullukum.
Qala hal kullukum la tafhamuna shay'an.
Shay'a. Yeah.
Shay'a, right. I think this is correct. Qala hal kullukum would be you all, means every one of you. Do every one of you not understand a thing? Kullukum is more of emphasis. So let me just try to translate this and see if it is correct. Correct. So he said, do you all, meaning every one of you, not even one of you is an exception. He said, do all of you, every single one of you not understand. Okay, that's what it means. And this kullukum. Kullukum is emphasis. It means, do you all, every single one of you, not understand? Okay. So if we have to remove the emphasis, we can say qala hal la tafhamuna shay'an or shay'a, because it is at the end. Okay. So this means the same thing without the kullukum, which is emphasis. That means, do you all, do is hal, la tafhamuna is not understand, shay'an is earth. Hal la tafhamuna shay'an. What is the answer, Zahan?
Qala hal kullukum la tafhamuna shay'an.
Okay, we'll leave the kullukum out for now. We'll just learn this, which is the more simpler sentence. What's the answer again? What is the answer, Sadia?
Khala hal la tafhamuna shay'an.
Very good. Zahan? Afifa, answer क्या है?
Qala hal la tafhamuna shay'an.
Very good. Afifa?
Qala hal la tafhamuna shay'an.
Very good. Qala hal la tafhamuna shay'un. Adnan?
Khala hal la tafhamuna shay'an.
Very good. Again?
Khala hal la tafhamuna shay'an.
Shay'an. Very good. Qala hal la tafhamuna shay'an. Last sentence before Kahoot. Okay. Let us see who can give this answer correctly. It is very similar to the people returned and they entered. Okay, in the house of the idols. This last question is very similar to the people returned and they entered. That's it. Okay. Think of Raja an Nasu wa dakhalu and give me the answer for this question. The people became quiet and they became embarrassed. What's the answer for this question?
Wasakatan nasu wa khajilu.
Again, Sadhya?
Wasakatan nasu wa khajilu.
Very good. Sakatan nasu wa khajilu. There's no and at the starting, so I can skip the first word. Sakatan nasu wa khajilu. What is the answer, Zahan?
Sakatan nasu wa khajilu.
Very good. What is the answer, Adnan?
Sakatan nasu wa khajilu.
Very good. Afifa?
Sakatan nasu wa khajiru.
Very good. So with that, we have done the 5th lesson. We need more practice. So for that, we will do Kahoot. Okay. So let me give you the game pen in just 1 minute.
You take 1 minute.
Okay. You go to kahoot.it, use game pen 20, 32, 36. Let me post this on WhatsApp. I'll take a minute. In the meanwhile, go to kahoot.it, use game pen 20, 32, 36. Kahoot.it. Okay, Adnan is first. Adnan is excited about the quiz.
I'm playing after. Sakib Chacha, this nickname is already used. Please try another name. All names.
Zumair or Farooq.
Same. I've tried using that.
Okay, use Firdaus.
I tried using that also. I tried all my family members.
Okay, then use anything. Use your best friend's name. Use just English letters so that Kahoot finds it easy. Okay, so what's 3 dots? Zahan?
Now I've joined only by this name.
Okay.
Or you can remove me. I'll try joining with another name.
No, it's okay. As long as you are in, it's fine. Okay. So the others. So we have 4 people. Afifa is also in. So we need Rahil Auntie. Rahil Auntie is also in. Is there anyone who is missing? It looks like we have everyone. Okay. We have everyone. So we have 7 people. Let us start. You need to be quick. Ibrahim said, ask the big of them. Blue, Qala Ibrahimu Sa'ala Kabirahum. Red, Qala Ibrahimu Tas'aluna Kabirahum. Orange, Qala Ibrahimu Is'alu Kabirahum. Focus on all of you ask. It's a command. Okay. Answer is Qala Ibrahimu Is'alu Kabirahum. All of you ask is Is'alu. All of you ask him is Is'alu who. Okay. So Is'alu is the answer. It is orange.
If
Okay,
the question,
Jahan.
Sahib, the
Yes,
command
madam.
is not there, then Esaluna will come, Sahib. If the command is not there,
If he says all of you ask the idols, it will be Yas'alunahum.
okay, Esalunahum, okay.
No, it will all
Not
of you.
command.
It will be Tas'alunahum. It is all of you ask. All of you ask for Tas'alunahum.
Okay, sir.
If it is a statement, if he says that all of you keep asking the idols every day, so it will be Tas'alunahum. Okay, very good. Sadia got this wrong. Let us see if Sadia can catch up.
Sahib,
Okay,
why
we got
Tasalu will come, Sahib?
we go next question.
Esaluna.
I'll explain later.
Tasalu, plural,
I
plural.
mentioned my friends to my father. Blue, Athruku asdiqai li abi. Red, Adhkuru asdiqai li abi. Orange, Asma'u asdiqai li abi.
Sorry, but I'm not able to hear you.
Sahib, I cannot hear you.
Even I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Sakib Chacha, I'm not able to hear you.
Yes, Sahib, I can't hear you. Yes, Sahib, I can't hear you.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Sahib.
Okay, sorry. I mentioned my friends to my father. Okay, it is Adhkuru asdiqai li abi. Adhkuru is I remember or I mention. Okay, Atruku is I left behind. That is atruku. If I say I left my key in the house, I would say taraktu, I left, miftahan, a key, or miftahi would be my key, fi baiti. That is atruku. For remembering it is adhkuru. Okay, Nahid auntie, what was your question?
Okay, it was correct on Sahib. When it's plural, it will be tasma. Tasma. It will start with ta. I understood, Sahib.
No, it is second person Nahid auntie. You all mentioned is
You
ta.
are.
They all mentioned would be ya.
You are. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
Aluna is you all ask. Yes,
Right.
Aluna is
Oh.
they all ask.
Correct, Sahib. I understand. Jazakallah.
Wayaka. Okay, so Rahil auntie is second, Nahid auntie third, Adnan is fourth. And Sadia still got this answer wrong. Okay, next question. Translate, how do they all worship idols? Blue, Kaifa yarifun al asnama. Red, Kaifa yabudun al asnama. Orange, Kaifa yafhamun al asnama. Very good. 6 people correct. How do they all worship idols? Is Kaifa yabudun al asnama. Let me just fix one thing. I'll start sharing again. Okay. How do they all worship idols? Is Kaifa yabuduna al asnama. Okay, almost everyone got it correct. So Sadia has some points now. Looks like Afifa got this one wrong. We will continue. Next question. This man sells idols. Blue, Hatha Rajulu Yuridul Asnama. Red, Hatha Rajulu Yabudul Asnama. Orange, Hatha Rajulu Yabiul Asnama. Okay, answer is Hatha Rajulu Yabiul Asnama. Ba'a Yabi'u means to sell. Okay, so almost everyone got this right. We will continue. Next question. The people went to the house of the idols. Blue, Dakhalan Nasu fi Baitil Asnami. Red, Ja'an Nasu ila Baitil Asnami. Orange, Dahaban Nasu ila Baitil Asnami. The people went to the house of the idols is Dahaban Nasu ila Baitil Asnami. Okay, so a lot of people correct answer. Adnan got this wrong. Looks like Sadia also got this wrong. Okay, we will continue. Next question. Translate, do you not understand, O Sad? It is do. Okay, so it is present tense. Blue, Allah tafhamu ya Sa'du. Red, Allah taqulu ya Sa'du. Orange, Allah ta'kulu ya Sa'du. Do you not understand, O Saad? Is Allah tafhamu ya Sa'du. Okay, looks like Zahan got this wrong. No,
No,
Zahan
I
got this
was a
correct.
little late.
Zahan was a little late. Okay. So Anil auntie and Sadia are also up. Adnan is down. Okay, we will continue. Next question. Who said this about my God? Blue, man qala hada an Rabbi. Red, Man taraka hada an Rabbi. Orange. Man sami'a hada an Rabbi. Who said this about my God? Is man qala hada an Rabbi. Taraka is to leave behind. It is not taraka. Okay. Anil aunty got this wrong. Looks like Adnan also got this wrong. First four got this correct. And Sadia is going up with some practice. Okay. Next question. How do you all prostrate to idols? Or how do you all do sajda to idols? Blue, kaifa tas'aluna al asnama. Red, kaifa tasjuduna lil asnama. Orange, kaifa ta'rifuna al asnama. Okay. How do you all prostrate to idols? Is kaifa tasjuduna lil asnami. There is one small mistake in this answer which is written here. Who can spot it?
Me.
Okay, it is asnami because of the lam. So li al asnami. The lam, when it comes before the noun, it will make it kasra. Okay, everyone has done well in this question. Rahil aunty is up to second place. Zahan is third. Zahan is losing focus. This has become a very long class for Zahan. Next question. The woman became quiet. One woman, she became quiet. Blue, sakatatil mar'atu. Red, nataqatil imra'atu. Orange, sami'til mar'atu. Okay, the woman became quiet is sakatatil mar'atu. Almost everyone got this correct. Anil aunty is back up. Looks like Adnan got this wrong. Okay, next question. Bonus question, double point, so make use of it. The people became embarrassed. Blue, ta'ajjaban nasu. Red, ta'assafan nasu. Orange, khajilan nasu. The people became embarrassed is khajilan nasu. It is the last question. The people became sorry and they became embarrassed. The people became quiet and they became embarrassed. This is sakatan nasu wa khajilu. Okay, so this is they became embarrassed is khajilu. Here it is khajila for one person. Khajila nasu, and nasu is outside the word. So the people became embarrassed is khajila nasu. Okay, Anil aunty got this wrong. Adnan has used the bonus question. Adnan is number 5. Let us see how this goes. Next question. Translate, you know that the idols are stones. Blue, tarifu annal asnama alihatun. Red, tarifu annal asnama kabiratun. Orange, tarifu annal asnama hijaratun. Very good. 6 people got it correct. You know that the idols are stones. Is tarifu annal asnama hijaratun. Okay, everyone correct. Adnan got this wrong. Next question. Bonus question, double points. How do you all worship the idols? Blue, kaifa tasjudu lil asnama. Red. Kaifa ta'rifuna al-asnama. Orange. Kaifa ta'buduna al-asnama. Correct answer is Kaifa ta'buduna al-asnama. Orange. Tasjudu is you prostrate and only one person. So tasjudu is not you all worship. Okay, Anil aunty is back up. Adnan is making mistakes. Nahid aunty is first, Rahil aunty second, Zahan third. So very close competition for 1, 2, 3. And Sadia is now starting to do well. Sadia made mistakes at the starting. Next question. Translate. Did you not understand, O Sad? Pay attention to did. It is past tense. Lu ama fahimta ya Saadu. Red. Ama kulta ya Saadu. Orange. Ama qala ya Saadu. Did you not understand, O Saad? Is ama fahimta ya Saadu. Almost everyone got it correct. We go next question. Bonus question, double points. Ibrahim was breaking the idols. Blue. Ibrahimu yakulul asnama. Red. Kana Ibrahimu yaksirul asnama. Orange. Kana Ibrahimu yatrukul asnama. Ibrahim was breaking the idols is Kana Ibrahimu yaksirul asnama. To break is kasara yaksiru. Okay, Nahid aunty still stays first, Rahil aunty is still second, Zahan is still third, Sadia is fourth, Anil aunty is fifth. Next question. And nearing the end of the quiz, the biggest idol is not capable to break the furniture, or the biggest idol is not capable of breaking the furniture. How do we translate this? Blue. Asannamul akbaru la yatruku an yad riba al atata. Right? Asannamul akbaru la yadribu an yaksir al atata. Orange. Asannamul akbaru la yaqdiru an yaksir al atata. Pay attention to the verbs. The verbs are what you need to figure out. Okay, only 2 people got it correct. Correct answer is Asannamul akbaru la yaqdiru an yaksir al atata. Not capable is la yaqdiru. La yaqdiru is here, and this is the correct answer. La yaqdiru is not capable. Okay, only Nahid aunty and Rahil aunty correct. Even Zahan Sadia got this wrong. Next question. Bonus question, double points. Do you worship our gods, O Hamid? Blue. Hal ta'budu alihatina ya Hamidu. Red. Hal taksiru alihatina ya Hamidu. Orange. Hal taridu alihatina ya Hamidu. Hal ta'budu alihatina ya hamidu. Correct answer is blue. Almost everyone got it correct. Okay, last question. You know that the idols do not utter even a word. Blue, tarifu anna sanama la taskutu. Red, tarifu annal asnama la tata'ajjabu. Orange, tarifu annal asnama la tantiqu. Okay, almost everyone got it correct. Tarifu annal asnama la tantiqu. Okay, let us see the podium. Third is Rahan, number 2 is Rahil aunty, and first Nahid aunty with all answers correct. Nahid aunty and Rahil aunty, both of them got all the answers correct. So congrats Nahid aunty, Rahil aunty, congrats Zahan. Sadia needs little more practice, but Sadia also did well. Congrats to the winners, and hope this was useful. Keep doing more practice, okay? You need more practice to get all the answers correct and to be fluent with these concepts.
Sakib Chacha, can you send us the link to retake the quiz?
I'll send it to you, Zahan. With that, we will close. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. See you all next weekend. Take care, stay safe. Ma salama.
Sakib Chacha, any homework?
No homework, Zahan.
Jazakallah
So
khair.
those who didn't complete the homework, finish it and send it to me.
Jazakallah khair.